Are you as extreme as you're being painted out to be in media?
I don't know what the definition of extreme is. I love my country, and I love the people, and I'm non-negotiable on my principles. I'm non-negotiable on principles. If you call that extreme, but if it's rigid, I mean, I'm a very out-of-the-box person. I mean, I'll work with the NPA, I'll work with the MILF, I'll work with the mining companies. I'm very out-of-the-box. So I can do anything and everything, but my non-negotiable commitment is to our people. And the principles of integrity, I'm never going to budge there because something in me will die. But in terms of possibilities of what can happen, my God, no? My other favorite song is I Believe I Can Fly.
You know.
So I want to fly and then fly with everyone and work with everyone. Like every single person here in this room has a dream. Every single person here has a plan, has creativity. Like I can work with anyone and everyone, but my non-negotiable commitment is to integrity. I will never sacrifice my principles. So I don't know if you call that extreme, but I work with anyone.